Hello, my name is Irfan Ariel Oregan Enggolan. I'm from 3C class, and today I'm going to present my summary about uh, study abroad's contribution to critical thinking and world citizenship by Min Nguyen. So, this paper is contain explanation about study abroad, the benefits, and the inseparability of creativity and critically, and then the cultivation of critical thinking, the Socratic ideal of rationally, and then the Diogenian ideal of cosmopolitanism, a few modest proposals. Yeah, this is. So first I'm going to tell you about the benefits of study abroad. Okay, study abroad is typically described as life-changing, a defining moment, or so participants say. Study abroad helps shape a participant life for years after the experience. In 2002, the Institute for the International Education of Students, IES, conducted the largest survey of study abroad alumni ever. The IES Abroad 50-year alumni survey confirms the long-term impact of study abroad on a participant's personal academic and professional life. So, the data which the institute gathered from uh, 3 722 respondents who took part in IES study abroad programs between 1950 and 1999 show that study abroad positively influenced the maturity, education, and career path of participants. And then, when asked about personal development, it's like 96% said study about increase their self-confidence. And then 70 and 97% said it enhanced their maturity, and then 89% said it empowered them to tolerate ambiguity, and 84% said it caused them to modify their socio-political positions. When questioned about intercultural development, it's 98% said study abroad expand their understanding of their own cultural values and biases. And 82% said it helped them develop a more different way of looking at the world. Okay. So, when inquired about academic commitment, 80% said study abroad raised their interest in academic study, and then 86% said it strengthened their commitment to foreign language, and 87% said it helped shape their subsequent educational experience, and 64% said it influenced their decisions to attend graduate school. So when asked about career development, 62% said study abroad triggered an interest in a career direction pursued thereafter, and then 76% said it enabled them to acquire skills sets that influence their career path. And then 65% said it enhanced their ability to speak a foreign language used in the workplace, and 48% said it prompted them to engage in international work of volunteerism. And then the next is beyond the cultural and linguistic benefits. So how reliable are the self-report data given the temptation to over-report good behavior and under-report bad behavior? Could the high percentage of survey respondents who claim to have been positively transformed by their study abroad experience be an artifact of social desirability? Yes. Well, such a possibility cannot be ruled out. Its actuality is yet to be established. Besides a number of studies that exist employed objective measurement tools such the pre-test and post-test of specific skills and confirm the advantage of study abroad beyond the cultural and linguistic benefits. So consider the environment of creative thinking and communication skills. Tracy Armstrong Williams shows that the students who study abroad generally demonstrate a greater increase in intercultural communication skills after their time abroad than students who stay on campus, just exploring the impact of study abroad and students' intercultural communication skills. Journal of Studies in International Education, Volume 9, Number 4, 2005. So, the next is stronger results have been obtained. Irvin Clare 3 et al. Shows that students who participate in study abroad not only improve their intercultural communication skills to a greater degree than those who do not, but also achieve a significantly higher level of intercultural communication after the experience than their stay at home counterparts. Finally, living abroad has been found to boost creativity. In a series of 5 studies, William W. Maddox and Adam Galinsky discovered a robust correlation between living overseas and enhanced creativity, identifying adaptation as the critical mechanism that underlines this linkage. They hypothesized that adaptation may be the key psychological element that explains why living abroad is associated with creativity. Because culture is such a pervasive force impacting and shaping every aspect of one's life, adapting oneself to a new culture, learning how to behave and think in different way may make individuals chronically aware of multiple perspectives and approaches when dealing with mundane and novel situations, and this may be associated with increased creativity. While traveling overseas might not enhance creativity, living in a foreign land and adapting to a new cultural world, insofar as study abroad augments the change of cultural adaptations, participants are poised to gain from enhanced creativity. Next is the inseparability of creativity and criticality. Study abroad promotes the development of not only creative thinking but also critical thinking for two reasons. First, according to the commonly accepted model of critical thinking developed by Richard Powell and Linda Elder, creative thinking and critical thinking are so interwoven that neither can be separated from the other without essential loss both. Consider the inseparability of creativity and critical thinking. Whether creative or critical is a cognitive achievement, something which the mind must work to attain. Creative thinking involves a process of making or constructing, whereas critical thinking involves a process of judging or assessing. When engaged in sound thinking, especially in a self-reflective manner, one cannot help performing the creative and critical functions simultaneously. Some may oppose the inseparability thesis because it fails to delineate important distinctions and ultimately conflates two different ways of thinking. Okay, and then the next is the cultivation of critical thinking. Study abroad spurs the growth of several intellectual traits. Recall the IES survey. Firstly, 98% state study abroad expand their understanding of their own cultural biases, and 62% said it helped them develop a more sophisticated way of looking at the world. Secondly, 84% said it caused them to modify their socio-political positions. Thirdly, 89% said it empowered them uh, to tolerate ambiguity, and 90% said it inspired them to cultivate a more diverse circle of friends. New environments, tolerance toward and comfortability with people of culturally diverse backgrounds, open-mindedness, and curiously, and critical skills such as resourcefulness, creative thinking, problem solving, decision making, socialization and negotiation, leadership, and teamwork in culturally diverse settings. The Socratic ideal of rationality. Socrates was a critical thinker par excellence, the Platonic form of critical thinking, as it were, as evidenced by Plato's dialogues. He manifested intellectual traits constitutive of critical thinking. Socrates, or rather Plato's Socrates, demonstrated intellectual humility by professing ignorance of the truth of the matter under discussion, whether it be piety, justice, friendship, or knowledge. He demonstrated intellectual courage by challenging the prevailing idea and practice of his day, whether they be about temperance, love, beauty, or courage. Okay. And then the next is the Diogenian ideal of cosmopolitanism. The Diogenian ideal of cosmopolitanism. In addition to critical individuals and societies, study abroad helps cultivate citizens of the world and the single community which they belong. Study abroad thus makes a contribution to the realization of the Diogenian ideal of cosmopolitanism, so named in honor of Diogenes Cynic, the first thinker who to have called himself a citizen of the world. Just as certain traits and habits characterize the critical way of life, so certain virtues and commitments exemplify the cosmopolitan mode of being. Just as study abroad develops the critical traits and habits, so it fosters the cosmopolitan virtues and commitments. So, a few modest proposal. I would like to conclude with the three schematic proposal for ensuring intellectual growth in study abroad students. First, study abroad, while not inexpensive, fosters the development of informed, critical, and creative thinkers who communicate effectively. To borrow a signature phrase from my university quality enhancement plan, since such a development is crucial at all levels of education, subject to the relevant budgetary constraints. Study abroad ought to be part of any significant institutional effort to promote critical and creative thinking. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all. So the conclusion is, I think study abroad is really not important, but it's like a good chance for our life if you have the opportunity to take it. We must take it. Like we have more money to study abroad. It's like a good opportunity. It's like a good chance to be study abroad, because the benefits it's so many for our life. Yeah. So I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if it's like kind of busy right here. because I'm working right now. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.